everybody, it's Julie, and before we get too much further into our decorating, I wanted to go ahead and make our tassel. So if you are going to be making the tassel, you'll want to follow along with this this video. So let's see. I'm trying to think. Okay, so I know we want to be using some of the blue. We're going to use at least one piece of the white, maybe two. We have the pearls, and their main purpose is this, but we want to come over and let's go ahead, before we cut the pearls, we want to add some pearls to this dress. So how many is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 9. So take 9 pearls off and save it for the dress. Put that aside. Okay, so there's our pearls. You're going to use what you have left. And let's see, we have this sheer yellow. So we'll go ahead and put some of that there. And we have our pink gingham. Put that there. And then we'll go ahead and use some of this. This one really, it takes the curl, it curls. So we'll go ahead and lay it under. And then, okay, and I wanted to use a piece of this material. So this is the piece from the other side. You know, we've been using, this is from the big block of blue. We're going to use this piece here. And you could go ahead and cut the blue and cut the yellow. So that gives us the blue, and I think we will cut the yellow as well. And of course you can go ahead and cut more pieces out of this piece here. We're going to save ours. We're going to save for tags and things inside the book. So I'm going to put that back in my scrap pile. I have my large washer. So you got a large washer in your kit. And what we're going to do is we're going to go by our pearl measurement. So whatever your pearl, however much pearls you have left, that is where you want to be. Okay, so it looks like these are good along with the pearl. Okay, so if the pearl, if it's centered in the middle. Now this one, we have already used some of this. I have a new one here, so you might want to just use what you have left. Okay, so we used it to, on that, one of the flip pages, we used it right here as a border, just half of one. So we have the other half for our other signature. Okay, put that down, use the scissors to help hold it. Okay, then we'll come back and grab a piece of yellow. Mine's coming out to be about, well, it would be 18, about 10 inches. Might be a little less, a little more. The pink gingham. If you can cut it at an angle, that's always good. Some of the blue, and then let's, there we go, and one piece of the white. Okay, so this gives us our tassel. Okay, now the only thing that we have to worry about is our material pieces, because they have a right side and a wrong side. So I'm just going to make sure that at least the blue one, because the yellow one's not going to be as obvious. I'm going to take all the ribbons and things and push them through the washer at the center. And we're doing this now just because we're getting to the point where we're going to start using pieces to decorate, and I don't want us to get to the end and then not be able to make the tassel if you were really wanting to have a tassel for your book. Okay. So there we go. There we go. And then in your kit, you have blue wire and white wire. A little, I don't. I'm going to use the white wire. I forgot to give myself wire. Okay, so white wire. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with a little piece facing down, and then I'm going to just wrap my my ribbons and fun things with this wire. Okay. And there we go. Okay, now in your kit you also got a bulb pen. So go ahead and attach that, and that's what we'll be using to attach it to our book. Okay, so this is our, I'm glad I used that yellow because the sheer yellow really was not enough. Thought I had, oh, see, oops, I did. That's okay though, because look at our book, the yellow is more faint, so this is going to look nice on our book. Okay, so there we go. And we have our tassel. It's ready, and we can add things to it, but at least this the ribbons and the laces are done, and that won't be a problem. So I'm going to put that in my finished embellishments box. So I have a box where all the finished things that we've been making are. So that'll go in there, and it is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Have you tried and made one of these embellishments? Oh my gosh, I had somebody put down that they've gotten into their husband's washer stash. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Thank you, everybody. Bye.